Hi there. Welcome back. I'm Annie Adore, your lazy amateur artist. Today we're looking at some drawing warm ups because that's a thing. I haven't done them before, but at least now I know of their existence. So let's do some research and see what's good. Drawing warm ups. Drawing warm ups. All right, let's have a look at some images. Let's look at that one, look at that one, look at that one, and that one. Oop, and that one. Cool. 12 simple warm-up exercises that will what? That will transform your drawing practice. Sounds good. That is what we want. Let's have a gander. That's the picture. Never mind. Here we go. All right. 12 simple warm-up exercises that will transform your drawing practice. Well, why are we doing this? First of all, it'll warm up your body, specifically those parts you need for drawing, like your fingers, wrist, and shoulder. Your line work will be much more secure after a few minutes of practice. Secondly, it'll give your brain some time to change gears, so to speak. Excellent. How long? Depends. Few quick exercises for a couple of seconds. Yes, we love that. Others that practice up to 30 minutes. No, thank you. All right, we're doing ours for a couple of seconds. Sounds great. We are time restricted, time limited. So we're going to do we're just going to do quickies, all right? 30 minutes is a long time. All right, what else have we got here? What kind of warm-ups are best? All right. The best warm-up exercises are those that help you practice your muscles and your brain at the same time. They should be useful, but not too difficult or complex. All right. A good practice for an artist involves a succession of short, easy exercises that are done over and over for however much time one has set aside for it. So we've already established that we love short exercises. We're going to do just a bunch of quickies. Done over and over. Okay, so repeated. We're just going to repeat a bunch of stuff over and over again. But what are we going to repeat? Right. It's great if you have a collection of exercises and can select them in line with what you're planning to draw or paint later. So basically, we want to warm up, and the content of our warm-ups are going to be related to whatever we're going to be drawing afterwards. So if we intend to draw say potentially, I don't know, like a bunch of tree landscapes or something, you'll probably need to get some lines, textures, those sorts of shapes ready in the bag to pull out, because that's what you're going to be doing. I guess no sense practicing or warming up a specific skill if you're not going to actually apply that. So warm up whatever skills you want to be using for your next project or your next drawing that you're going to do. All right, cool. Oh, now we're here at the juice. We are here at the content. We're ready. Okay, so we've kind of read, why drawing warm-ups are good. They say it's good to warm up the bits of the body that you're going to be using to draw with. Fingers, hands, wrists, shoulder. And then also because you're getting ready to practice what you're going to be drawing later on. As always, make sure you work from your shoulder, not your wrist or fingers. Not your fingers. Definitely not your fingers. All right. We've got 12 simple warm-up exercises in here. So exercise 1, lines. Okay, we're going to have 12. Let's have a look at what they're going to be first, though. Lines, swirls and loops, squares and rectangles, circles, ellipses. Well, I have a quarrel here. Aren't ellipses circles and these ovals? Am I wrong? Or are all circles ellipses, but not all ellipses are circles? Help. What is an ellipsis? Excuse me. Define. Or definite. Define! Okay, it's an oval. Okay, all right. It is an oval. All right. Damn. Okay, fair enough. I learned something. We learned something today. Very good. Yeah, relax, Annie. All right. Circles. Ellipsis. Another word for ovals. S shapes. Pencil pressure. Cubes. Spheres. Good. Looks like a head. Awesome. That's what I need practice with. Cylinders. Cutting cylinders. Cool. And copying. We're going to do 1 to 5 right now. Okay, so I have a blank canvas here, ready to do some drawing warm-ups. The first exercise was lines, so I'm just going to give that a crack. Oh gosh. Yes, not straight. All right, here we go. Okay, some other lines. Horizontal. Oh wow, that was not horizontal. Is that me? Oh my. All right. Lines. I didn't put a specific timer because I thought, let's just try this out. Okay. Right. With your shoulders. Still getting a bit slanty there, but all right. Oh gosh. All right. Not bad. Let's get a new layer. For swirls and loops. All right. Swirls and loops. So we've got swirl. Oh, well. All right. Swirls. Swirls. Okay, yeah, these swirls are not very good, hey? Okay, these are with my shoulder, my wrist. And then we'll also do some swirls. All right, swirls. Okay, yeah, I do like swirls. All right. I like doing these ones for hair, actually, so this makes sense. Swirls. All right, this is good. Cool, we like those swirls. Next. All right, squares and rectangles. Let's do it. Squares. No. All right, squares. Okay. Doing some line work here. Not doing very well. Honestly. All right. Don't forget with your shoulders. I'm kind of getting... Oh, yeah. Okay, all right. Look, we're getting somewhere now. Shoulder work. Yes. Yes. That is... Oh, dear. I want to end on a good one. I want to end on a really good one. Oh, well, yeah. That's fine. All right, what's our last one? Oh, no, our second last one, sorry. Circles. Oh, right, circles. This is it. This is it. This is it. All right. With the shoulder, right? The shoulder. The shoulder. Shoulder. Let's do a little... I should have made a bigger canvas. This is not big enough. This is not big enough. Making too many layers. All right, with your shoulder. Whoa, dude, come on now. It's like I've moved on to the ellipses / oval. All right, one more. One more to kind of regain my dignity if I can. You know, if I can. All right, let's go. Circles. Let's go. Let's go. Reclaim my honor. Reclaim my honor. Honor has not been reclaimed. That's okay. Let's just... Oh, jeez. Okay, honor has not been reclaimed. Let's try with her. All right. All right. Oh, jeez. I don't want to blame the tablet, but now get him. It's definitely me. It's definitely me. I didn't regain my honor, but that's okay. What's the next one? Ah, yes. Ellipses. We're going to finish with ellipses, which are ovals, which I learnt today. Okay, so I've been killing it with the ellipses just previously, so let's do some more of that. That's fine. Let's do this a few times till I fill up the canvas. With your shoulders, with your shoulders. Oh, wow, dude. Okay, these are not going very well, if I may. They don't even connect. Hold on, hold on. Okay, yeah, so I obviously need more. I think I just need to do these warm-ups for like actually maybe half an hour. It turns out that that might be necessary because I'm just not getting an oval. What the heck and heck. All right, let's give this a go. All right, better. Right. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Getting some rings, getting some satin rings. With the shoulder, that's it, with the shoulder. Oh, Lord. That was, I don't know about that one. I thought I would succeed very well, but that was still pretty difficult. That was difficult. I'm just trying to draw. I'm just trying to warm up here. Okay, let's get a connecting ellipses. Let's do this. All right. Not great, but, you know, we'll work on that. I'll work on that. Cool. All right. You know what? That makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. I'm not going to do the S shapes, pencil pressure, or the rest of that, but I just wanted to try this, and it's actually pretty cool. That was pretty cool, yeah? So thanks for sticking with me. That was pretty fun, actually. Don't forget to use your shoulder when you're doing your warm-ups, and to warm up things that you're actually going to be drawing. Yeah. Till next time.